Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's fix, I want to quickly mention a tool that can save you a lot of time when dealing with SIM card issues: Passixer iPhone Unlocker. If your iPhone is SIM locked to one carrier, Passixer can remove that lock in just minutes, letting you switch to any other carrier you want, like T-Mobile, AT&T, or others, without worrying about data loss or security. But showing the dreaded no SIM card installed error? Don't worry. Today I'll walk you through step-by-step how to troubleshoot and fix it yourself, right at home. Way 1. Remove the iPhone SIM card and reset it. Since the no SIM issue is often caused by the SIM getting slightly dislodged, the first step is to put it back in place and ensure it's fully seated. After a few seconds, up to a minute, the error should vanish and your regular signal bars and carrier name should reappear. If it doesn't, remove the SIM and check if the card or the slot is dirty. If they are, clean them. Blowing into the slot is probably okay, but a shot of compressed air is always best. Way 2. Restart iPhone. If your iPhone still doesn't recognize the SIM, try restarting it. The all-purpose fix for many iPhone issues. You'd be surprised how often this solves the problem. Way 3. Turn airplane mode on and off. If the SIM error persists, toggle airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off again. This can reset the iPhone's connection to cellular networks and may fix the issue. Way 4. Update iOS. Check if there's an update for iOS, the iPhone's operating system. Connect to Wi-Fi or a computer. Make sure you have enough battery, then install any available updates to see if the problem resolves. Way 5. Make sure your phone account is valid. Sometimes the issue isn't your phone, it's your carrier account. If your account has been suspended, canceled, or has another problem, you may see the SIM error. Call your carrier to confirm your account is active. Way 6. Check for an iPhone carrier settings update. Your carrier might have updated its network connection settings. Go to Settings greater than General greater than About. If an update prompt appears, install it. Way 7. Test for a malfunctioning SIM card. Your SIM card itself could be defective. To check, insert a SIM card from another phone that you know works fine, making sure it's the correct size: standard, micro SIM, or nano SIM. If the error disappears with the new SIM, your old one is defective, and you can get a replacement from Apple or your carrier. Way 8. Contact Apple Tech Support. If none of these steps solves the problem, you may have a hardware issue. Schedule an Apple Store appointment or contact Apple Support online for professional help. So there you have it, 8 ways to fix the no SIM card installed error on your iPhone. And remember, if you want the freedom to use any carrier's SIM card, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is the easiest way to remove your iPhone's SIM lock. Thanks for watching, and I hope your iPhone is back online and working perfectly.